enough fingers on my hand to show what day it is, Alexandra. It's day 6 of the cruise, and today, oh my gosh, wait. Today, we're in the Bahamas. Oh my god, Alexandra, there's another ship pulling up. This is like the 4th ship to pull up. Wow. Anyway, we put sunblock on, we got our bathing suits on. Oh, Alexandra's on the phone.
What do you want?
Oh, she's talking to the boys. The parents just woke up. So we're gonna go to breakfast, and then we're gonna get off, and then we're going to Atlantis today, which is so exciting. And Adrian is here. Anyway, yeah, we're going to breakfast. Bye. We're going to eat, and we're really hungry. And it's actually good because it's just the 2 of us, because usually it's so hard to find a table for 10. We went on a mission to refill water bottles, and now we really want to get off because I think everyone's already gotten off. Look how empty it is. There's literally no one here.
What made you take it off?
We just arrived at Atlantis, and we're getting tickets.
I think it was, I think we got to like a year mark, so that's it.
We're waiting for
The unleashment of the tubies!
slipped out of the line. Everyone's here. We're gonna go swim in the main pool and yeah. We just got some drinks and everyone's here. I'm filming on the GoPro, so the quality is just okay. But we went on some slides, and we're probably gonna go on them again, so I'll take the GoPro next time.
Hello, this is me. We are about to embark on a journey in the jungle. Over there. Down the water slide. Alright, Nina, go. Anya's going next. Where did they go? And so, I'm waiting here for this X to turn green. And then I will make an impersonation of a really scared person down the slide. Ready? Go! Okay, it's all good.
Believe it or not, we found a hot tub. It burns her legs. We're about to go on the lazy river for the 2nd time, and we're gonna go on some slides. Oh my gosh. Alexandra doesn't want to get splashed, but it's gonna be really fun. And yeah, this is basically what's going on. So we'll see, guys. It'll be fun.
Okay, girls, we are prepared to go. On the right, with the sharks.
GoPro for the day because first of all, I couldn't find my phone. Turns out it was in Alexander's backpack. Second of all, okay. Second of all, sorry for this under eye situation, but it's been all day and my mascara has been dripping just a little bit, even though I used waterproof mascara. So an update, my nail has chipped only ever so slightly, so we're gonna go get some super glue and glue it to my nail. Great. And then we're going to see the dig, which is the fish tank. Which is the fish tank that Adrian is really excited to see, as you can tell. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do now. Goodbye. We walked around for a little bit and now we're gonna go take some pictures by these statues and in this throne. Took a taxi back to the ship port. We have dinner at 8:30, so we're gonna get ready and get back on the ship. We finally got on the ship and we're not getting off till Saturday. Oh my god, a hat's been thrown at me. And yeah, just got changed for dinner. Alexandra's in the bathroom and we're going to dinner now. One of the restaurants, I don't know which one. We finished dinner and now we're going to the show, which is apparently a comedy show. I don't know, I didn't really see it on the schedule, but apparently according to our parents it's a comedy show, and yeah, we'll see how it is. Alexandra and I are in the very first row for the comedy show. Hello everyone, we are back in the room. We went after the show. It was pretty good. It was not our favorite, but still pretty good. And we got some cookies and some pastries for like a late night snack kind of thing. And we took off our makeup and we put our hair up. There's Alexandra. And we put aloe vera on our backs because they're very burnt and they really hurt a lot. And now, if you could, this was Bahamas and now we're on our way back, like up here to Bayonne, which is pretty sad. That's it. Like that means our trip is coming to an end. Even though we still have two whole days, but it's still kind of like, anyway, so yeah, that was basically our day. Tomorrow we're gonna look at the schedule, but we have a C day, so we'll see what we have tomorrow, and hopefully it's an exciting day. So, see you tomorrow. Bye! Bye!